Let's look at setting up for a new project and running auto tests. So to begin with, we want to make sure that our standard selection is set to ANSI TIA 2018 PL Cat6 Cat6 again, and the cable type is Hubble Nextpeed C6 CMP. So make sure you see these selections as you're shown here. If not, you can tap on this box to change the selection to match what you see here on the screen. ANSI TIA 2018, permanent link, grade 6, Cat 6, Nextpeed C6 CMP, Hubble for the near and Hubble for the far. So once you've set those settings, we're going to select the job name, and to do that, we'll tap on the little search icon here, and we'll hit the plus icon to create a new job. And we'll call this Site 415. So we'll enter Site 415. Make sure job identifiers is set to not required. Hit the check mark. So now Site 415 is shown with 0 tests. Hit the back arrow. Next, we want to make sure the correct operator is set. So let's change this to Dan. So to change the operator, we'll hit the name icon. And we already have Dan in the search list. So to select that, we just press and hold and select Set as Current Operator. So now that will show Dan is the person who ran these tests. If you need to enter a new name, you can click on the plus icon and enter a new name. That new name will appear in the list, and then you'll need to long press again and select that name set as current operator to choose that person. So once we're back, we can go to the back arrow again, and we'll type in the name of the first test. So let's call this AP01. We'll enter that name and hit test. And when it's finished, we'll enter the name of the next test, which will automatically increment to AP02. So let's hit test on AP02. And for the next one, let's say we're changing the name to Register. Register 01. Hit test. Now when this one's finished, we'll go ahead and do a sync, and we'll sync these results to the cloud. So to do this, we'll need to connect to a Wi-Fi access point. So we'll need to click on the preferences icon, choose Wi-Fi, make sure your Wi-Fi is turned on. Mine is already on and connected. Yours will likely be off, so you'll need to turn the Wi-Fi switch on. And when it refreshes, you'll see a list of Wi-Fi access points. You'll select your hotspot or whatever access point you're near, connect to it, and if necessary, you may need to enter a password or agree to the terms and conditions if it's a public access point. Once you're connected to the Wi-Fi and you see connected, go back to your home screen by pushing the home button, press sync, and upload to Anywhere Cloud. And if you're connected to Wi-Fi, once you select upload, it will begin uploading any new tests. So as we saw, I ran 3 tests, so it's uploading those 3 tests. Any tests that have not been synced will be synced to the cloud at this point. When it's finished, you can hit closed and hit the home key to go back to your main screen. And you're finished. Those tests have been successfully uploaded to the cloud.